Today we will learn how to create a new database in SAP Business One. We will open SAP Business One Run as administrator. Now we will click on Change Company button. Then we will click on the New button, and then New. In the site user ID you have to enter B1 site user and password of the B1 site user. Now click on OK. Here we have to enter our desired company name and database name. Please remember, in database namespace is not allowed. Then we will select the local setting as my country, and then chart of account. If you are going to import the user-defined chart of account, then select user-defined. Now we will enter the posting period code, posting period name, subperiod as monthly yearly. Then we have to enter the posting date from and to, and due date from and to, and document date from and to, where all the date will be from the date of your financial year start date, and end date will be the financial year end date. After entering all the data, we'll click on Continue button. Now we have to click on the OK button and have to wait for 5 minutes till the database creates. Once the database created, it will ask you to enter the password for the manager user. Once you update the password, system will take you to the database, where you can now start configuring your database. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you liked the video, please hit subscribe button. Do not forget to share with others. Stay tuned for more updates related to SAP Business One.